After nearly 9 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to return to Israel, and this visit couldn't come at a more critical moment. Prime Minister Modi is expected to travel to Israel on February 27th and 28th, marking his first visit to the country in his third term. It follows an official invitation from Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and signals a renewed push to deepen one of India's most strategic partnerships in West Asia. So why does this visit matter? First, timing. West Asia is going through intense geopolitical churn with the Gaza conflict, regional security tensions, and shifting global alliances. India has walked a careful diplomatic line, condemning the October 7 Hamas terror attacks, while also calling for humanitarian laws to be upheld in Gaza. During recent calls, Netanyahu briefed Prime Minister Modi on the Gaza peace plan, while India reiterated its support for a just and durable peace. Second, strategic cooperation. India and Israel share a zero-tolerance approach to terrorism. Defense, counter-terrorism, cybersecurity, drones, missiles, and surveillance systems form the backbone of this relationship. Israel remains one of India's key defense technology partners, supplying cutting-edge systems that strengthen India's military preparedness. Third, trade and technology. Talks on a free trade agreement are gaining momentum. The terms of reference have already been signed, and an Israeli trade delegation is expected in Delhi soon. From agriculture and water management to semiconductors, AI, and innovation, both countries see enormous economic potential. There's also the bigger connectivity picture, where Modi's visit could give a major boost to India's Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, or IMEC, launched at the G20 summit in Delhi in 2023, a project that aims to reshape global trade routes. This visit also carries historical weight. When Modi visited Israel in 2017, he became the first Indian Prime Minister to do so. Netanyahu personally accompanied him for most of the trip, an honor usually reserved for US presidents. That visit also marked India's dehyphenated approach as Modi skipped Ramallah, signaling a new independent Israel policy. 9 years later, Modi's return to Israel is not just symbolic. It reflects continuity, confidence, and India's growing role as a pragmatic power navigating a divided world. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.